In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front license plate bracket on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head bit, remove the screws for the license plate. Remove the license plate. Drill out the 4 rivets holding on the license plate bracket. Pull off the plate bracket. It's stuck on with these 2 sticky tapes. Using a quick detailer, I'm going to spray down the area and give it a quick wipe to get all the dirt off so it doesn't rub under that plate. Install the plate up into place. We're going to get our rivets installed. Install the license plate and get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.